Hey, what's happening, guys? Look what we got to play with today. This is the Digoo model SB-XYZ Smart Video Doorbell. And this is a competitor to the very expensive Ring video doorbell. And it seems pretty cool so far. This is from Banggood. I can't get the box open. Oh, there we go. I'd like to thank our friends at Banggood for sending this to me for our consideration. So, inside the box, we have the actual doorbell unit here. We have the instruction manual, which is honest to God in English, not in Chinglish. It's a very well written little manual. We have the mounting screws. And we have this mounting plate. So what you do is you mount this on your door, and then the camera hooks in like that and it sits on it. And then there's a very tiny little screw that goes right there for security purposes. Now this thing works on 4 AA batteries that are hidden under this little silver panel, which would come off much easier if you had 2 or 3 extra hands. So I just got to fight with it here for a minute. There we go. So if you look up here real nice and close, let's zoom in here. There are 2 little screws here. Then you also see we have a reset button and a microphone button. The little screws are hex head, and they are 1.5 millimeter. So there's some tiny little buggers. But once they're loose, the panel pops off from the top like that, and it requires 4 AA batteries. Take a little zoom in here. Now right here you can see these pogo pins, spring-loaded, and they connect to these little pads right here. So that's got our 2 switches and our microphone connector. That's a very nice way of putting that together. And this is a very secure way of putting this on, since they won't be able to get to the back of the doorbell. Now there's an IR LED up here, and in just the short time I've been playing with this, I can tell you that it works really well. And that just snaps back on, and we're ready to go. So next, let's look at the software you need. All right, here in the instruction manual, it tells you to scan the QR code for a direct download, or just search Smart Video Doorbell from the App Store or Google Play. So we'll go to the App Store, Play Store, Smart Doorbell, and this is the one you want. There's a bunch of them in here. I tried one that was actually from Digoo and it didn't work. This is Smart Doorbell from Robert Luo. So you want to download that and then launch it. And the first thing you're going to have to do is register. It doesn't seem to do anything, but you know, that's what it wants you to do. Okay. So now it wants to do the whole connect to the phone thing. And this is where I found things got a little bit interesting. So you want to make sure you have Bluetooth on. Because even though this is a Wi-Fi doorbell, the way it does its initial connection to set up your network is through Bluetooth. So what we have to do is hold down the ring button until the LED starts blinking red. There we go. Then it finds it. You can see right there real quick, just like that. And now we just need to type in our Wi-Fi password, which you don't get to see. Wi-Fi password is in. Hit the next button. And now it connects everything up and programs the doorbell. So this could take a couple minutes, and I'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, you see now how the light has turned to blue? That means the programming is in progress. You see it says blue light blink, receive Bluetooth data. And bind success. Now all we should need to do is ring the doorbell. There you have it. All set up. Let's go try it out. Go ahead. Can I help? Can I help you?
Joe there?
There's no Joe here. Nope, no Joe here. Please go away.
Okay. There's no Joe.
There's no Joe. No Joe. Another really nice feature is the button right under the word doorbell there on the screen. If you press that, it'll activate the doorbell anytime, even when there's not somebody there. So that way you can check out what's going on your front porch or back porch, even when you're not home. Alright, so there you go. There is the smart video wireless doorbell from Banggood. Works just like the Ring doorbell, quite a bit cheaper. So, I'd like to thank our friends at Banggood again for sending this. And if you guys like this, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. That's it. I'm out. Peace.